In San Diego County, about 1 in every 3 people in Sheriff's Department custody is on prescribed medication to treat a mental illness. That makes San Diego County jails the largest mental health provider in the region. A rally was held today to call attention to the issue. CBS 8's Kirsten Holmes has been following this story for us. She joins us now live from the Sheriff's Department headquarters with more. Kirsten?
Yeah, since the pandemic, there's been a concerted effort to address mental health issues all across the country. And as more people get help, jails and prisons are finding that more inmates require mental health assistance. And that leaves law enforcement with a growing problem. It is guards, deputies, and police officers' job to enforce the law. That means they often aren't as skilled in recognizing mental illness or telling the difference between criminal thinking and psychosis, according to law enforcement professionals. Sheriff's Department officials say they have more inmates with mental health issues that require treatment. San Diego County jails have one of the highest rates of in-custody deaths in the country, with a lot of those deaths coming from suicides and drug overdoses. One mom we talked to at today's rally says she's done everything she could to raise her 2 sons who struggle with mental illness. Now she's worried about her son's safety and mental health behind bars.
Don't take your eyes off of them and think they're in a safe place, you know, where they are. No, not at all, because they constantly struggle to be heard and constantly struggle to let someone know that they are suicidal and that they feel unsafe.
We reached out to the Sheriff's Department for comment on today's rally and what they're doing to address mental health issues behind bars. They sent us a statement saying, quote, "Our sympathies go out to the families of people who have died in custody, and we understand their desire to be heard." The sheriff is committed to managing jails that are safe for the people who are in custody and for our staff. We are making significant changes to healthcare programs and the infrastructure of our jail system, end quote. They also point out a link where you can read more about how they are addressing those in-custody deaths and mental health. You can find those resources on our website, cbs8.com. Now, the activists we talked to today say they appreciate Sheriff Martinez's efforts to improve the situation inside the jails, but they say that they need more to be done quickly to save lives. Reporting for CBS 8, I'm Kirsten Holmes. Back to you.
Kirsten, Sheriff Martinez is well aware of the problem, obviously. What does she say she's doing now to try and improve mental health matters behind bars?
Okay, so I combed through the sheriff's reforms and saw that they are now able to share pharmacy orders inside of the jail system. That will minimize the time that patients or inmates have between taking a medication and going without it. She also says that they are having an electronic system for clinicians and psychologists to actually work with their clients' paperwork. It's now electronic, and that will help bring access to care to them.
Hopefully these steps get us to a better place with our mental health treatment behind bars. Kirsten Holmes reporting live for us. Thanks, Kirsten.